Hello and welcome back to part 2 of the Goodwill Xbox series. So in this episode what we will be doing is we will be cleaning out this disk drive and trying to get this unstuck. So follow along and see how it's done. And so the first thing we gotta do is we gotta get it off this caddy. And it's just held in with tabs. It's gonna be tabs here and here and right there. Just kind of pull it and it comes right off. Alright, so I'm guessing here is we have to remove these 4 screws next. Let's give that a try. Why am I struggling on something so simple? Come on. There we go. Christ. Alright, so here's where we're kind of at right now. This can't be pulled out, so we have to manually eject it. So what we're going to do is we're going to press on this slider here, and it should pop the tray off. So what we're going to do is take a screwdriver, press. You see the drive's going down. The drive went down and the tray popped out. We're going to move it, and I'll bring you in on the next part. So now the drive's not popping, the disk tray's not coming out if I pull on it. So there's 2 tabs right here. Oops, sorry. One right here, one right here. We're gonna hold those, press those gently to the side. Actually, you're gonna press them forward, my bad. You press them towards the back that way, and then the tray just pops right out. So this is what we're working with. Pretty much just as dusty as the rest of the inside of this Xbox. So here's where the issue is. You can see how that belt is moving. Not to mention just how grimy this whole drive is, so this is going to take quite a lot of cleaning. So clean it all off, lubricate the worm drive here, put new lubrication on. I think once we clean this up, I think it'll be fine. I actually feel bad for this game console. It's not really loved. So many Q-tips. Clean off the worm gear. We'll put some new lubrication on that. Just rotating with my finger. Okay, gonna let that dry, but we're gonna rejuvenate the belt. And blip. Okay, I think we can finally start putting this back together. So I got myself some grease, and we're gonna lubricate up all the parts that previously had lubrication on it. Start off here with the worm drive. Last thing I want to do is I do always clean the laser. Then we can start putting the disk drive back together. Oh, there we go. Okay. Alright, before we put the final cover on, let's give this a test. Here we go. Still sounds like ass, but it is working. Alright, there we have it. This Xbox was completely... well, you saw. And now it's working very well. So, pretty much all I have to do now at this point is just finish putting in the last few screws and we're all set. And then give it a nice clean and then it'll be good to go for the next owner. So, thank you for following me along on this journey with this Xbox. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe to see more. And thank you very much for watching.